Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be making an amazing recipe called baked potato wedges with a delicious homemade Cajun spice. Now let's start with our Cajun spice recipe first. In a bowl, add 5 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 tablespoon garlic powder, 2 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 tablespoon dried mixed herbs and 1 tablespoon white pepper powder. Mix all these ingredients together and this homemade Cajun spice is the perfect blend of zesty, spicy flavors that is sure to cook any dish you prepare. Friends, look, this color looks so gorgeous. You can store this spice mix in an airtight container for up to 6 to 8 months. And now for potato wedges. Take 3 to 4 potatoes, scrub and wash them nicely and remove all the dirt and mud. Now cut each potato into 2 parts and then cut each part into 3 to 4 wedges depending on the size of your potatoes. Here I took the large potatoes. So each potato will give you 6 to 8 wedges. Make sure all the wedges are of the same thickness and size. See, they all look the same size. In a large pot, add enough water, approximately 1 liter, and bring it to the boil. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Once the water is boiling, add all the potato wedges. And boil them until all the wedges are half done. Once done, remove them immediately from the water. Look at this, friends. It should look like this while breaking. Now in a separate bowl, add 2 to 3 tablespoon olive oil, 2 tablespoon chopped garlic, few coriander leaves chopped, 2 tablespoon our homemade Cajun spice, and 1 tablespoon whole wheat flour. Here you can use all-purpose flour also, but I used whole wheat. And mix thoroughly. Once all these things are mixed properly, then add our potato wedges. Mix gently and coat all the masalas over the wedges. Meanwhile, you can preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes. Now, line a baking tray with a parchment paper. Arrange all the potato wedges in a single layer on a baking tray. Bake them for 15 to 20 minutes until they are golden in color, crisp and cooked through when tested with a fork. Look at these look so delicious. I absolutely love this homemade Cajun spice. This spice mix adds a subtle spicy flavor and color to the dish. If you are craving for a nice spicy potato side dish, you should try these. They are very flavorful and they are absolutely delicious to eat. In fact, the whole family will surely love them. You can serve these Cajun spice potatoes with tomato ketchup or any dip of your choice. In fact, these are so nicely spiced, you can eat them as they are. Hope you all like this recipe. Please hit the like button, comment and share. And don't forget to turn on the notification button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.